Okay, here we go. Miss Izzy just got her brand new toy box today. And it's all customized. It has her name on it. It says Izzy's Toys. And we're going to, let's put some toys in there now. Shall we put some toys in there? Yes, that's your toy box. That's your new toy box, baby. Yes. No, don't chew on the bows. Let's put little Chickadee in there. Yeah. And let's put Rudolph in there. And how about your little dolphin? And what about your splash balls? And if we come over here and we pick up some of your other toys, like how about your Sweet Talkin' Rose?
I love you.
Yeah.
I love you.
Can you put that in your toy box? Put that in your toy box. Here, let's put it in her toy box. There. Now, can you pick out a toy? Yes. Don't chew on the sides. Look at your toys. Get a toy. This is Izzy's toy box. You don't want to chew on the paws on the side. No. Get a toy. Let's see. Okay, let's come over here. Let's look over here. Oh my goodness, look at the mat. All the toys over here. Oh, yes. There's a little bear. And there's, oh, here's our fire hydrant. Okay, we're going to take all these toys. And in the toy box they go. Izzy, get a toy. What do you want to play with? Pick out a toy. Yes, get a toy. What do you want? Not the bow. No. Thank you. Good girl. Get a toy. Okay. Oh, look at, I just found over here. Here's Binky. Yep. There's Binky. Binky goes in the toy box. Okay, Izzy, get a toy. It's the same as your basket, only it's your special toy box. Yeah, what toy do you want? Oh, you're gonna get, oh, there we go. Good girl. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Izzy, sit. Sit.